Hey guys, Amanda here with this brand new washable rug you're gonna love. I like to keep my house clean, but you know how it is. Kids, dogs, husbands. My Magic Carpet is amazing. Check this out. This is machine washable. They're stain resistant, non-slip, and have a waterproof barrier. I started with one in my kitchen and now I have them everywhere. They are beautiful. They feel good on my feet, and when they get dirty, you simply throw them in the washer and dryer. It's amazing. My Magic Carpet comes in 3 sizes with a ton of great colors and styles to choose from. Click this ad right now for 20% off and free shipping. I'm telling you, you are going to love these rugs. Oh, and by the way, your house will look great.
Get 20% off and free shipping for a limited time. Simply click on this ad or go to mymagiccarpet.net.